Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Rewired, the podcast where we decode the future of learning one conversation at a time. I'm Arav.
And I'm Josephine. Today's episode is going to be a fun one because we're diving into something that's changing the way learning content is created, managed, translated, and improved.
Today we are talking about AI tools and AI-powered products in the e-learning industry, and how they're helping organizations solve problems that used to take days or even weeks to fix. And this isn't some futuristic concept anymore. AI tools are already helping learning teams build courses faster, maintain content more efficiently, and deliver better learning experiences.
Exactly. In fact, many organizations are discovering that AI isn't just improving learning, it's completely transforming the way learning operations work behind the scenes.
Let's start with the basics. When we talk about AI tools in e-learning, what exactly are we referring to?
Think of AI tools as intelligent assistants built specifically for learning teams. They help with content creation, language translation, voice generation, quality assurance, learner support, analytics, and much more.
So instead of spending hours updating a course manually, AI can do much of the heavy lifting.
Exactly. Tasks that once required multiple specialists can now be completed in minutes with the right AI-powered solution.
What kinds of AI products are becoming popular right now?
We're seeing tools that can automatically generate course outlines, create assessment questions, produce voiceovers, generate images, and even convert instructor-led training materials into digital learning experiences.
That's impressive. But what excites me most is how these tools help solve real business problems.
Absolutely. AI isn't just about creating content faster. It's about reducing maintenance costs, improving learner engagement, and ensuring content stays relevant.
Speaking of solving real-world problems, let's talk about an exciting initiative making waves in the industry, Dr. eLearning's AI Services Initiative.
That's a great example. Dr. eLearning has been developing AI-powered learning solutions and tools designed specifically to address the everyday challenges faced by learning teams.
And those challenges can be surprisingly frustrating.
Very true. Think about something as simple as updating the language of an existing course. Traditionally, that could involve extracting content, translating it, re-recording audio, adjusting layouts, testing functionality, and publishing again.
Which can become a huge project, especially if the course exists in multiple languages.
Exactly. AI-powered translation and localization tools can dramatically simplify that process, enabling organizations to update and adapt content for global audiences much faster.
Let's talk about some of those day-to-day issues that learning teams constantly deal with.
One major challenge is course maintenance. Over time, courses develop issues. Broken interactions, outdated content, navigation problems, missing media files, accessibility concerns, and software compatibility issues.
Basically, the kinds of bugs that nobody notices until learners start complaining.
Exactly. AI-powered course auditing tools can automatically scan learning content, detect issues, identify inconsistencies, and recommend fixes before learners encounter problems.
That alone could save learning teams countless hours of troubleshooting.
It really can. Instead of manually reviewing hundreds of screens, AI can quickly pinpoint problem areas and help teams prioritize improvements.
Another challenge organizations face is supporting learners across different regions and languages.
Absolutely. Global organizations often need the same course delivered in multiple languages.
And traditionally, that means translators, voice actors, quality reviewers, and a lot of project management.
Exactly. Modern AI tools can help automate translation, generate multilingual voiceovers, adapt on-screen text, and significantly reduce turnaround time.
So a course originally built in English could potentially be converted into multiple languages much faster than before.
That's right. And when combined with human review, organizations can achieve both speed and quality.
What about creating brand new courses?
That's another area where AI tools are making a huge impact. Learning designers can use AI to generate learning objectives, draft scripts, create quizzes, build knowledge checks, and even develop storyboards.
Sounds like having an extra member on the team.
Exactly. The goal isn't replacing instructional designers, It's helping them focus more on creativity, learner experience, and business outcomes, while AI handles repetitive tasks.
Let's switch perspectives and talk about learners.
AI-powered learning assistants are becoming increasingly common. These tools can answer questions, provide guidance, recommend resources, and support learners throughout their learning journey.
So instead of searching through dozens of course screens, learners can simply ask a question and get an instant answer.
Exactly. It's like having a learning companion available whenever you need help.
Everything we've discussed sounds amazing, but I assume AI isn't a magic solution.
Definitely not. Human expertise remains essential. AI can accelerate processes, identify patterns, and automate repetitive work, but instructional strategy, creativity, empathy, and quality oversight still require people.
So the future isn't AI replacing learning professionals.
Not at all. The future is learning professionals using AI tools to become more productive and more effective.
Where do you see AI products in e-learning heading over the next few years?
I think we'll see increasingly intelligent learning ecosystems. AI tools will create content, maintain courses, detect issues automatically, personalize learning experiences, translate materials instantly, and provide actionable insights for organizations.
And initiatives like Dr. eLearning's AI services are helping organizations move toward that future today.
Exactly. The organizations that embrace these tools strategically will be able to create better learning experiences while reducing costs and operational complexity.
So what's the big takeaway?
AI tools and products are no longer optional innovations. They're becoming essential components of modern learning operations.
From course creation and translation to bug detection, maintenance, learner support, and personalization, AI is helping solve some of the most persistent challenges in e-learning.
And when combined with human expertise, these technologies have the potential to make learning more accessible, efficient, and impactful than ever before.
Well said.
Thanks for joining us today.
And if you're curious about how AI-powered learning solutions can transform your organization, now is the perfect time to start exploring.
We'll see you next time.
Bye everyone.